class name, form hyphen control, and placeholder. Input. Placeholder equal to search. So in beginning of page, in right side, they will get one search option, search box here. We will create a banner also. Okay, we'll create a banner also. So what we will do? Open an empty tab and close that empty tab in the last empty tab. Under the empty tab, you will add one section tab and you will give id equal to not id equal to here. In Bootstrap, we remember we have something called banner. Bootstrap we have no carousel. That carousel code will add here. Carousel code will add here. So empty open, empty close. Empty will become as a parent, and in between everything will be as a child. So one banner will be child, one more container will be child, will work properly. So do till here. Shopping, why you given the shopping there? My user header. I remove that slash with shopping. So now go to again. You have to remove that slash. Or you can click in. Or in the routing it was not added. Which one? Slash shopping. And the link it is added. So path is not matching. Component is not able to load. Okay, so we are ready till here. Now here we need to add the banner code. Okay. So to add the banner code, we will open the website and from there we'll copy it. So let's open the website called getbootstrap.com. We cannot go to the W3 because that is commercial site. And this is the official open source. So if this sound get recorded, YouTube will not delete this video. If the W3 page will reflect, YouTube will delete this video, saying like copyright policy. Okay, so we can go here where under the docs. Under the docs, let me find out. Should be under the component block carousel. Under the component, we have called carousel. You got the link called carousel. Component block, there is a link called carousel. Click on carousel. This is the slider is coming. This very small short code is there. We require this code. They will add it. This indicator is also there. With the caption is also there. Okay, so we will go with this one. This with the indicator and image, caption, everything. So let's come down caption part. You can scroll down. You will see the caption. Caption section. On scroll down. Below we can see the code is there. HTML. Complete carousel. Start and carousel end. Right. So here we have option called copy to clipboard. Icon is there in the right side. Copy to clipboard. You can copy that. Copy to clipboard and come to the shopping page, and before container you can paste it. Before container we can paste it within the empty tag. IMG tag will give you the error. Why? Because IMG tag is not closing in the last. Slash is not there in the last. IMG tag 3 places we have. It will throw the error. You can see page is broken. It is saying it will not work. Why? Because JSX rule is mismatch. IMG tag is open, but it is not closed. So in IMG, you have to put the slash in the last. In IMG, keep the slash in the last. In IMG, keep the slash in the last. 3 IMG there, you have to keep the slash in the last. 3 IMG have, put the slash in the last. Then this look like this. Since image is not there, so we have in current folder. We have to give here SRC. I guess we have some image in public folder. So that path we can give here. IMG SRC equal to 1.jpg. 1.jpg. ये सर्च बॉक्स के बाद में होगा ना, ये सर्च बॉक्स के ऊपर है. 2.jpg. Also write 3.jpg. In IMG SRC you can add the path 1.jpg, 2.jpg, 3.jpg. Then height will become very big. You have to control on that. Plus scroller is not moving. Image is not changing. Image is not changing. For that we have solution. Since JS file is missing because of that. After adding the image, check once image is coming. and click once, image should come. कैप्शन वाला ऊपर देखिए, उसमें होगा ना लिखा कैप्शन, हेडिंग लिखा था कैप्शन नीचे, ये वाला ये पूरा क्लिक किया, देन पेस्ट कर दीजिए कंटेनर के ऊपर, कंटेनर के ऊपर, कंटेनर के ऊपर, हाँ, एम्प्टी टैग के अंदर. So two people have replied. What about others? Are you doing? If everyone will not follow, then I'll go in my speed. We can finish everything in one day. But if you are following, then keep answering properly. It is basic structure that you have seen in Bootstrap. You should go to that website, and from there you can copy the caption code and paste there. And after that, you know how to change the image path. You can change here. Next matter is related to image height and width. Image height and width. So we have option we can change from here. Class equal to D block, that is called display block full width. W100 means width how much? 100%. Let me apply one property called height here. Height 300, and I'll check whether 300 is reflecting or not. Height 300 I'll add everywhere. Height 300, so it's reflected. But become very compressed. We have to increase little. 400 or more than that. 400 is okay, because product also should be visible. A scroller will work. As of now, it's not working. Since it's need a JavaScript file, after that it will work. Okay, the H5 is written. Inside the H5, some text is there. We can change that. Stop from home. The online shop is open 24/7 all the days. %50 discount on all items. If you can buy 4, you will get 8. Buy 1 get 1 will work, or buy 4 get 4 will work. Will get buy 4 get 8 will work. कौन सा ज्यादा कस्टमर खरीदेगा बताइए? Buy 1 get 1, one free of one option. Another one, buy 4 and get 8. 4 you are buying and 4 you will get. Total how much? 8. So many customers will think, why I should buy 4 here? I have money for only 1. Okay, if buy 1 get 1 is there, then person can buy. But buy 4 and get 4 extra. Okay. This plan will not work. इसको बोलते हैं कि दुकान वाला ने तो हद ही कर दिया है. ठीक है ना, कोई 4 खरीदेगा ना, वो 4 फ्री मिलेगा उसको. इसलिए बोर्ड लगा के लगाया रखा है, कि बगल वाला लगा के रखा है बोर्ड बाई 1 गेट 1. तो बगल वाला बोर्ड लगा दिया कि तुम 4 खरीदो हम 4 देंगे. तुम भी तो भाई ये बाई 1 गेट 1 ही दे रहे हो. ये खरीद रहा है तो एक दे रहा है एक्स्ट्रा, राइट? अगर कोई 4 खरीद रहा है तो तुम 12 दे दो, तब तो होगा। ओके, चलिए, सो लेट्स गो। सो happening shop from home, other slider will not come. Why? Because other slider is hidden. It has to be linked with the JS file. Okay. Kids, email, mail, all type of dress. You can return in 15 days. If not happy with product, something. You can return in 15 days if not happy with the product. So added, you can write any text and get ready. We need to add that scroller, not a scroller, bootstrap.min.js file. We need to add bootstrap.min.js file. Then a scroller will start running automatically. So where is the bootstrap.min.js file? It is under the dist folder. It is under the dist of JS folder. We will try to import in index.js file. If it is coming, then well, else we have to do something else. Okay, so hope this all are done. Come to the index.js file where you have imported the bootstrap. There only let us try import bootstrap dist js bootstrap.bundle.js bootstrap.bundle. We can check once whether carousel is moving. Carousel is moving. We can import the JS file also, and it will look properly. And here this navigation also will work this way. So this line you can add bootstrap.bundle. It will work. I am getting error. Send me code. I have sent the code of yesterday in your group. You can download it. If you have error in yesterday code, you download and follow from the group. If you have error in today code, then I'll send you the shopping.js file. If you have error in yesterday code, then download and replace the folder from where? WhatsApp group. If you have error in today file, then take the shopping, replace it, then it should work. At 11 o'clock, one batch is there that look like Maharaja batch. From that batch, no one comes here. In that, nearly 25 plus people are there. But that batch people are Maharaja batch, royal batch. Anyone is from 11 o'clock batch? Anyone is joined from 11 o'clock batch? Nearly 15, 10 plus people used to come in the class, but why such big laziness happen? Once you join the company, then you realize, okay? You stay in Marathali and the office will be in Yelahanka and you have to report there 9 o'clock. That day you can call me and you can Ask me what time I should leave my home. Home is PG in Marathali and office where in Elankas. Okay, or maybe office will be the next to IIM after Archery Circle out of Bangalore. Then you can show your laziness one day, and then after reaching the office, you will come back soon. Manager will say thanks for coming. Termination letter is ready on desktop. Desk go and take and go home. ये याद है ना मतलब when the class happen 11 o'clock everyone will come here, right? Host is sitting for you and guest have no idea where is that. और गेस्ट आ गया होस्ट का पता नहीं है. For project purpose you are the host, I am the guest. For project purpose students are the host, trainer is the guest. The guest came long back and host is sleeping in home. That you are destroying your future. बुरा लगे अच्छा लगे एक दिन गाली दे दीजिएगा चलेगा लेकिन that is a true line you write somewhere. So from 11 o'clock people, how many are there? Okay. अब की बार तो मैं अगला 5-6 दिन के लिए वीडियो अपलोड ही नहीं करूंगा. फोटो है फोल्डर में, पब्लिक फोल्डर में. हम्म. Photo is not there, no? Photo should be there. In your public folder, you have photo. Images का पाथ वहाँ पे देना है. हाँ लिखे आप. अभी जी एस आर सी में images slash 1.jpg लिखना है. वन के पहले फोल्डर का नाम IMAGES स्लैश वो हर जगह लिखना है. चलेगा फोटो का तो चलेगा. Okay, so banner is working. Now after that we have to fetch the data, and that data we need to display here the product list. So we can go here and import the use state, use effect that we are written in dashboard.js file. In dashboard.js file, you have already written the use effect, use effect. We have imported no use effect. Use effect, use state, same line we can add. Also, from dashboard.js file, you can take get product, use effect. This all you can copy because same thing we require there. In the shopping, you can copy from the dashboard and paste in shopping. Copy from dashboard and paste in shopping. Okay, hope copy is done. Next, the URL will not be seller and all. URL will be complete URL product so that it will fetch all the product. The public will come. Public should see all the product. Public have no any problem who is selling the product. Public need to see all the product. Whichever the product we have, that all the products should be visible to public. So URL should be direct product URL. No any kind of question mark or anything. Direct product URL. Yeah. Seller ID is not needed in this line. We can remove it. Seller ID is not required in this file. We can remove that. Because when the public will come, public will open the website. They will see the product. They will do add to cart. Okay. Next, we can come down below and all product. We have got that all products should list here in the bottom. So banner is one section. After banner, we have container. After banner, we have container. Okay, so this function is ready for everyone. I share the full code in chat. Next one, what you will do is come down under the container. The row is already there. Leave that row, create another row. Division class name equal to row empty4 as well as MB5. MB5. Let's go inside. Go all product dot map. All product dot map. Product comma index. Product comma index. Return class name. Call LG3 MB4. Inside that, you can use one division. That division should have class name P3 border rounded H4 product dot name class name text center and text primary. INVSRC product dot photo. Class name rounded, you can write here, and remaining height 140 and depth 100%. So it will display very good photo. That is not coming. Product dot, what is that? Okay, this is spelling is wrong. SRC. Photo will appear everywhere. Height we need to increase little. Height we need to increase 170. Or increase little more. 200 somewhere. 200. And here we can write MB5. More space is required. Sequence. First photo should appear. We have to give key index for the column. Key index we have to give for column. Border look like little not better. So I think border we can remove and then we can check without border and rounded. This look more clean, no? ये ज़्यादा clean दिख रहा है. We can increase the gap using the P4. P4 we can give it. It increase the more gap. Photo will be in limited area. After the image, we can display the details. After the details, cost, and after that, add to cart. So in a paragraph, product dot details dot p tells, and in this product class name we can give MT2 and MB2. Margin top, margin bottom, little space. Then next paragraph related to price, rupees, product dot price, product dot price will appear like this. Price should be little attractive text. So price we can put inside a class equal name equal to P4, P3, rounded, rounded. After that, what we can give? Border. After that, you can give text hyphen primary. Then you can give text center. It may look better or may not. You can modify it if not looking better. It's look like this. P4 become more. We can reduce the P3 to P2, P2, and then let us see. P2 is okay. P2 is okay. Now below to this, one add to cart button is required. Division. No division. P tab will be okay. Class name. Text hyphen center. MT4 or MT3 to anything. Inside this, BTN hyphen block, and inside this one button. Mount to cart. Class equal to class name BTN hyphen danger BTN hyphen SN, and also we can write here I tag open close, and we can use a icon and class name FA hyphen plus FA hyphen plus look like this. So BTN block is not applied. BTN hyphen BTN is missing. BTN hyphen block. It should be full version. No BLOCK applied. D block. D block. For paragraph or button? D block. D block. हाँ? D grade. D grade. अब देखिए कैसा हो गया है. D grade इस पे लगाना है क्या? D grade you need to apply for the paragraph. D grade apply for the P tag. D grade apply for the red color is okay, attractive color. From far will come to know. This is for add to cart. This way. Empty one you can give for paragraph because gap was more. Wanted to reduce the gap. If I remove empty, then also look similar. After removing the empty, you have to put the photo in public folder, then it will come. Now finally write till here. Photos should be in public folder. Whichever the photo you have given name, those photos should be in public folder. Whichever the name we are given while adding the product 1.jpg, 2.jpg, that should be in the which folder? SRC, public folder. Okay, so product is listed. I have photos in public folder. Then Sridhar, for you, teacher is wrong. Correct, no? You should listen. If someone says something, you should listen, right? If it is working for everyone, then you have done some mistake. Agree or not? If it is working for everyone, then you have done some mistake, right? Go and check what is the mistake. Your photo is not on right place. Photo name will be wrong. Okay, that is your task to check it. Please check it. This is the total code. You can check it. We'll wait here 5 minutes, fix the error, and then come back. I will send you this folder in chat. Hmm. Shopping folder sent in chat. यहाँ पे जो डिटेल्स दिया है फिर ऊपर के हेडलाइन दिया है वो बड़ा है तो फोटो वगैरह ऊपर डिटेल्स है आएगा उसको हिडन करना है किसका डिटेल्स का कर सकते हो तो हिडन कुछ लिख सकते हैं item is don't display green what comes for that within that now who is login now tell me here it is no, that is not my question is who is login login अब go to the JSON server JSON file है वो JSON file open होता है data.json data.json file in that file now Hari has login see what is the ID of Hari Hari@gmail.com ID is 13 now look into the product whichever the product you have added there here in that only here in JSON file itself see the first product is scroll down yeah. What is the seller ID or one what is the seller ID one this two will not display no? Since the person is login his seller ID is what 13 go up again see everywhere only one ID come down only one product belong to whom Hari so he can see only one product when he will log in go up and for Hari you delete all unnecessary account keep one account delete this all multiple you have created no? Keep one and delete remaining other delete below also you have something delete box okay and below also delete this two will be wrong something went wrong there control Z after Hari no that is required after that come down clear okay. So Any more are there? Many you have. Delete all. One you keep. Remove that comma also. Now change his ID as a one. These two products are also empty product. Delete this two. Now log out again from application. We log in again. Because ID should match, then only the product will come. Seller ID who is login as well as the product have the seller ID. Both should match, then only the product will come in the list. Products are coming, name is not coming here. Name here on the top. Log out again. Go to the JSON server. Data.json file. What is the name here? Name we have not kept anywhere. Okay, add one photo here for name. Mm. In double quote. And then comma after that. The log out and relog in again. Relog. Now after that, if we add any product, that will be a store and display. You can add one product and test it will come. Next, after that, if you add a new account and also add the product, it will come confirmed. Because ID was mismatched, your all the product was using the seller ID 1. And the seller who log in, his ID is 13. And for 13 seller ID, there is only one product. So it will display only one product. No, here you only tell me, no, in this, are you passing anything, any parameter here? You are fetching all product, it will display all product. In home page, it will display all product. When seller will log in, then it will display respective product. इतना प्रॉब्लम क्या फेस कर रहे हैं आप लोग? कौन सा नीचे वाला फोटो? क्या लिखा आपने? फोटो है सब प्रोडक्ट का, क्या उधर दिखाइए, ओपन कीजिए डेटा डॉट जेसन फाइल, नीचे प्रोडक्ट वाला प्लॉट 2.jpg 3.jpg। आप गलती क्या किए हो कि आप पब्लिक फोल्डर में आपने एक इमेज फोल्डर बना दिया, बनाया है ना? इमेज फोल्डर है ना आपके पास पब्लिक फोल्डर के अंदर, राइट? हम लोग कॉल कर रहे हैं डायरेक्टली कहाँ से? पब्लिक फोल्डर से। आप भी कॉल कर रहे हो पब्लिक फोल्डर से, तो आपका फोटो कहाँ पे है? इमेज के अंदर है, तो काम नहीं करेगा, हमेशा कंफ्यूज रहेंगे आप। नहीं नहीं ठीक हो, मैं समझ रहा हूँ, बट हियर यू हैव टू गिव IMG स्लैश, यहाँ पे IMG स्लैश देना है आपको, क्योंकि बिकॉज योर फोटो इज नॉट इन द फोल्डर, योर फोटो इज अंडर द SRC फोल्डर। अब वहाँ पे वैसे नहीं चलेगा, वहाँ पे दूसरा कुछ कोड लिखना होगा, ठीक है? वहाँ पे वैसे नहीं चलेंगे, वैसे नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है? आप जाइए पब्लिक फोल्डर से कॉपी करके बाहर डाल दीजिए, तो सबको कॉपी करके यहाँ से नहीं, फोल्डर में जाके go to folder and from there you copy and paste out of the image folder. इमेज के अंदर से कॉपी करके बाहर पेस्ट करना। नहीं नहीं, यही पब्लिक के अंदर है, पब्लिक के अंदर पेस्ट करना। ठीक है, चेक नाउ ब्राउजर ओपन। नीचे तो कुछ नहीं आ रहा, दो आया, हाँ नीचे जाइए, उसमें फोटो नहीं आ रहा है। गो टू कोड अगेन, चलेगा एस आर सी इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट डॉट फोटो। प्रोडक्ट डॉट फोटो, फोटो कहाँ पे है, आईएमजी के अंदर है कि बाहर है? नीचे ऊपर देखिए, ऊपर दिखाइए वो कहाँ पे है। क्लिक ऑन आईएमजी, जेपीईजी है। ठीक है, उधर क्या लिखा है? उधर जेसन फाइल में ऊपर जाइए, आप इधर क्या लिखा है? 1.jpg, 2.jpg, 3.jpg, 4.jpg, अप टू 11.jpg, वही लिखा है ना? और आपके पास फोटो क्या है? 1 to 4 ही है, तो 1 2 3 4 जेपीजी, 1 2। इधर उधर दिखाइए ब्राउजर में एक बार, एप्पल में, एप्पल एप्पल आ रहा है कि नहीं? रोज एंड बिरयानी आ रहा है, दो ही आ रहा है। कहाँ है रोज बिरयानी? नहीं नहीं, आप उसमें जाओ, आप गो टू योर शॉपिंग डॉट जे एस फाइल, इधर इधर भी कोड में यूआरएल, वो आप ऊपर ऊपर जाइए। उधर तो उतना प्रोडक्ट है, दो ही क्यों आ रहा है फिर? दो ही आ रहा है ना, वहाँ पे पूरा आना चाहिए। यूजर प्रोडक्ट कंपनी, करेक्ट नो? यूजर प्रोडक्ट कंपनी, ये वो नहीं है जो आप स्टार्ट किया, आप कहीं और स्टार्ट कर लिया हो। आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन सर्वर वहां पे नहीं है, कहीं और चल रहा है, ठीक है? इधर जाइए, ये एपीआई है ना, ये वाला है, इसमें आप लोगों ने बनाया है, आपने जेसन सर्वर इसमें स्टार्ट कर दिया, जेसन एपीआई में कहाँ से चलेगा वो? इसमें सब आ रहा है, इसमें जो जो फोटो मैच हो रहा है वहाँ पे, इसमें पब्लिक फोल्डर में वो आएगा, जो फोटो मैच नहीं होगा वो नहीं आएगा। जैसे टोटल आपने 4 4 8 है, तो वहाँ पे 4 फोटो है, तो देखिए 4 मैच हो रहा है ना, 4 आया, बाकी आपके हैं यहाँ पे, ये जो डेटा डॉट जेसन है, इसमें हर जगह आपने अलग अलग नाम रखा है, राइट? 5 है, लेकिन वहाँ पे 1 to 4 ही फोटो है, 1 to 4 है, राइट? और ऐड करना होगा, नहीं तो यहाँ सारे फोटो का नाम कुछ कुछ दूसरा बदलना है। 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 something. It should match within that photo. Then it will come. Let's say I have given the same name that is exist. Now you can see all the product will have a photo. All product have the photo because I have given those name that is exist there. Okay, so product is reached. We reached till here, saving and listing. Okay. Now, for example, you log in as a seller now and add one more product and check that product is coming on the top or not. Log in as a seller, log in as a seller and add one more new product and log out and then check in the home page is coming up. So I will log in here and I will go to the add product and I will write here laptop bag, price 2000 and photo. I will download one photo or let me give from the existing photo 2.jpg. You should give only those photos that is exist there. See, we can take from internet also. But as of now, we have to do add to cart. We need to see the order list. If we take that internet photo, no, it will become such a big URL and it will become difficult to understand the JSON part. So that I am giving the URL from their local computer. So that the content will be a small content. When the data will go to the order list, data will go to the cart, then we'll identify, oh, this is happening like this. We can write some text here. So laptop bag added, it should come in my list, laptop bag. Now I will log out from here and I will go to the home page and I should see one laptop bag is added.
Can we add attach image feature, right, sir? Instead of adding.
Can we?
Can we add attach image instead of entering the image name every time?
Attach image, which one? Browse. You want to do? What you want to do? Tell me clear.
Like while adding the product image, instead of using input text box, so we can use attach.
Browse, say browse, not attach.
Yes.
Okay, attach is for the user, non-technical. Browse we should use. File. Okay, we can use the file there. Input type equal to file. But for that, we have to learn the Node.js. JSON server have no any feature to take the URL from any browse. We have to give the full URL, photo URL. Also, you can give like this. I'll guide you. You log in as a seller and you can add like this. Ab dekho, ab see everyone. Go to the add product, and suppose I want to add here one mouse or maybe something scanner, HP scanner. Okay. After that, I'll enter some price 12,000 and I will write some description here. We'll write some description here. After adding the description, now matter is a photo. So here there will be option called browse. That you cannot do because your backend is which one? JSON server. JSON server will not take browse URL something. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to add here, or let me guide you. People will think like I am misleading. So maybe it may work also. Which is that file? The file is called new product, no? New product. Okay. In that last is called input type equal to file. So it will give me the browse option. Something like this. Now usually when we browse something from somewhere, then whatever the URL we are selecting, to get the data from that URL, we need a backend language. Once you click on upload, then in backend language, there will be code that whichever the location is selected, from there, we need to copy the photo and upload into the respective location. But in JSON server, there is no such feature. Okay, so we were giving directly URL and the photo was there in our system. That was one option. Second option, I will try this. Someone has suggested me. Okay. I went here and I'll go to the there picture folder, and from picture folder I'll try to upload one photo. If it is happen, then very good. Not happen, then we have to come back to the same position where we were. So suppose I selected this, upload it, save it. Scanner HP uploaded. Now we'll go to the product. Can you see here? Photo is missing because when we have given the browse option, photo path was selected. That was okay. But to store the path in the backend, we have to pull the photo from the source where we have selected, and we have to move to where? Destination. That was our public folder. And from destination, it will display under the project. Okay. But that has not processed. Then what I have given is, I have given input type equal to which one? Text. Now text is there. Let me add here. So we were giving directly URL. That photo was there in the public folder. Another option. Okay. Let me write here printer from index. Price is 25 and something. Now for this, if you want to take dynamic photo, one option is there, add the URL manually. 1.jpg, 2.jpg, that photo should be there in public folder. Another option, we can go to the Google and search here any photo. Printer photo. I search, found so many printer photo, and I will take now. Okay. You check once. First you see them, then you can follow the step. So I search on internet printer photo. I will do the right click on this, and after that I'll copy the. It's not coming in that. Maybe it will come in the bottom section. Huh? Right click any image. Copy image link. In Chrome it will come copy image address. So copy image link I copy and went here and pasted. But it will become such a big. When you look into your JSON file, you will feel like surprise. Data is where and path is where. It will become such a big URL. Okay. Now see, I added here and save it. Guarantee this photo will appear. Added printer. When I go to the all product, I can see printer is coming. But internet is required for that now. System must be connected through what? Internet. Okay. So that is also option you can add like that. But uploading the photo, you cannot do since without backend. Okay. Right? You can add one product and get experience happening or not. Add one product and check once. Same way, you copy the URL and add it. Copy the URL and add it and check once. Copy the URL. See now, if you look into my file, this is the new product I have added. Printer. And see how big URL. It's called base 64. Encoded URL. So this will make us confused as of now. Okay, when you look into the JSON data, you will not feel where is your original data. It is becomes a overload. Okay, but from this URL photo will come. Base 64 format it is. From here URL photo will come. Here, look at this path. This path was stored. When we have selected the photo, this path was stored. When I have written no input type equal to file from this location, C drive, this one, this one, this one, and IMJSRC cannot display from here. This becomes a local path. Okay. Uploaded any photo coming? upload a photo and check once whether it is coming or not. The same photo will appear in that website also. When we come here, we can see here. The photo will come directly from internet. So after testing, we will add some clean photos, 10-20 items. We'll add direct URL. Then project will look very perfect. Okay, so product is added as well as product is listed on the home page. Next, login is happening, register is also happening. Here list is displayed. Now when we click on add to cart, this data should store. And when we go to the cart, that data should list. Okay, so we will do add to cart now. We will do add to cart. Come to the shopping page.
Sir, hello.
Yes, sir.
Actually, yesterday I was absent. So, can you share me the Johnson API file because I am not getting login.
क्यों absent थे कल?
सर मेरे मामा जी की तबीयत थोड़ा खराब थी, उनको कैंसर वैंसर हो गया, इस चक्कर में थोड़ा परेशान थे।
तो ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कहेंगे, बाकी आपका फ्यूचर, आपका प्लान, बाकी फोल्डर आप ले लो, ठीक है। You can take the folder, SRs, everything, and in your own way. Okay, so let's go ahead. Folder is uploading. You can download and replace it.
Thank you, sir.
So let's come to the which file? Shopping file, and write a function called const add to cart. Okay, some people are there. आकाश, मैं आपको नहीं बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है? कुछ लोग हैं. There is some student. 2 person will log in at same moment, and both person will log out at same time. Okay, समझे कि नहीं? आप नहीं पढ़ो तो हम भी नहीं पढ़ेंगे, हम नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो आप भी नहीं पढ़ो, ऐसा वाला बात है। फ्यूचर बाहर में जाए, दोस्ती से मतलब है, समझे कि नहीं? कल जब मम्मी पापा का होटल बंद हो जाएगा, सारी दुनिया ब्लैक हो जाएंगे। यस और नो? करेक्ट नो? देन जिससे आप झगड़ा किया था, विद होम यू हैव डन फाइटिंग, नो, फ्रॉम योर कॉलेज फ्रेंड, दोज पीपल विल रिमेम्बर, हेल्प के लिए। When the time is there in hand, how people misuse the time. If anyone wanted to know, they can contact me, I'll guide you. Because I have seen the 1,000 type of people, and 1,000 way they waste the time. 1,000 type of people, 1,000 way is there to waste the time. If someone want to waste the time, you can take the formula from me, because I have seen the formula of everyone. After requesting a lot to take in the money from home, correct? You made a good commitment that I'll do something after spending this money. When the parent has released the money, then you started wasting the time and everything. ठीक है, मैं तो बड़ा खराब तरीके से डांटता था लोग, लेकिन डांटने से लोग मेरे ऊपर केस ही करते थे, इसलिए मैं डांट because you have not seen, no, tomorrow what will happen, correct? Tomorrow what will happen, you have not seen, right? To make tomorrow brighter, you have to work today hard. Okay, चलिए देखते हैं. Add to cart function is ready. Right inside that, product info. product info. Console.log. Console.log. Parent is giving every month money because my son is in Bangalore. He is attending regular classes. Son is sleeping behind the building, behind the class in different PG and unable to come in the class. Correct? Why you came from the hometown to Bangalore? Because I will attend offline class. When offline class is happening, then person is sleeping in the PG, from bed itself join. Such a diplomatic, such a dynamic people. वही होता है ना? There is so many people, they will be sleeping on the bed and they will be putting the headphone in the ear and they are seeing in the mobile. Okay. Tomorrow when the matter will come of interview, then previous day will remember. Okay. वैसे वैसे लोग आते हैं कि there is some problem, company has given the homework. मैं उसका मैसेज नहीं देखता हूँ. After seeing the message, I ignore that. You have wasted your time, no? Now time came and you are running behind someone. उस दिन देखे आप? नहीं देखे शायद. That day you have not seen, I guess. One person was there when I was taking the project class. 8 o'clock I used to start similar way. He log in 8:45. He log in 9 o'clock. Okay. Okay. So for you, the person is coming 7:30. You are coming 9 o'clock at the end of the session. Means you are creating the problem for you. I told him, why you are coming late? Okay. तो माइक ऑन करके वो अपने मम्मी के ऊपर चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया. समझे कि नहीं? माइक वाज ऑन. He started crying on his mother. That particular person मेरे ऊपर चिल्ला दिया आज. ठीक है, ऐसा बोलने लगा हो. ठीक है, हम सुने आवाज. अच्छा रुको, टाइम आएगा तो तुम वापस आओगे मेरे पास. Now when interview calls came one day, he has not prepared the resume, he has not written the description of the project. Then he messaged me. वो जो प्रोजेक्ट किए थे उसका थोड़ा डिस्क्रिप्शन मिलेगा, हमें जाके सो जाइए, अभी टाइम नहीं हुआ है. You can sleep, still time is not there. No? ठीक है. So how you want to shape your future, you have to decide. No one is there who can help you out. People is there, they will guide you. People cannot bring something and give for you. You have to do everything for you. Right? Are you seeing the population of India? Population of India, you are saying, no? Still you have to live for the nearly 40 years. 40, 50 years तो सब लोग जिएंगे ना अभी. What is the cost in the market of the things? You can imagine after 20 years. If you have not start your career, how you will manage your family after 20 years? Big मांगना होगा कि नहीं? मांगना होगा ना? Real or not real? Real, no? Population is increasing randomly. Prices of the things are increasing so fast. Okay. I have purchased the diesel 2 rupees liter. 2 rupees. In my career, in my life, in my hometown, I purchased the diesel 2 rupees per liter. Okay. 2 rupees per liter. Okay. Now see what is the diesel cost? 100 rupees, no? Still nearly 25 years, 20 years has crossed. Okay. It's become, right? Still more, hopefully will there in the world for next 20 more years. Then it will go somewhere 400 liter it will go. By end of my life, I guess it should not be less than 500 rupees liter petrol. Right? So when we started 2 rupees, that day if you think like 2 rupees, we can manage it. Now see, according to that, if you will not prepare your future, what will happen? After 2 years, petrol price will increase, no? We need to buy the cycle with the solar system. Plan karo, brother. You plan it, plan it, plan it. Future is very difficult. Don't waste your time. Okay. Okay. Have you called it? Let's come down. Function we call below. On click equal to add to cart. Add to cart dot bind. Add to cart dot bind. Inside that you pass this comma product. this comma product, this comma product. Because without bind function, you cannot pass the parameter. Without bind, you cannot pass the parameter. Ready? Add product.bind. Look into the console. On product, click. Click once. Is it getting? Getting added? Sorry, it's coming in the console. Do the right click. Inspect element. Inspect element. I've written somewhere called class. I should write a class name. Anywhere I've written class? किसमें? Oh, in the home page. Okay. These all are called class in the shopping. This is, where is that? Here, no? These all are called class. Right? But many places are there. Okay. Or replace करेंगे. That you can replace, no? All the class you can replace by the class name. Can we do that? So error should not come in console. All the class, please replace with the class name. While replacing, don't do the mistake. Some shortcut key is there. That I have not used. Replace that. Replace the class with place the class with the class name. Then hopefully the errors will go. Still one more is there somewhere. Replace all the class with the class name.
First one, sir. Line number 26, I think.
Line number
26, the first one.
26. Oh, yeah. Okay. Class equal to class name. So all the error is gone. Next, whenever we click on any of the product add to cart, that information will print in the bottom. Check now. Information is printing in the bottom. In console, whichever the item we do add to cart, that will display inside the page. In console, it will come. Okay. So complete product we are able to print. Okay. Complete product we are able to print. trying to change to container fluid. Let me see how is the design. This look better than previous full page product. That you can do here. Before map, you have written a container. You can change to container fluid. Before map, we have a container. We change to container fluid. It will cover the full width like clip cut. It will cover the full width. It will cover the full width. Okay, ready? Next, after this, add to cart. Console.log is happening. So in console is printing for everyone. Please check once. In console, you can check in console. After clicking on add to cart, check in console. It should print like this. Open the console. Click on add to cart. You can see here. Should happen. Okay. Now we wanted to send this complete information to backend. So for that, we required a URL.
Sir,
Tell me, sir.
it's showing error product info is not defined.
Product info is not defined.
Yes, sir.
You check this line, what we have written. Compare this call.
Okay, sir.
You have not written full code. 1, 2, 3, 4 / cart. Okay. Come down. Inside that, we will write here call post data equal to headers content hyphen type colon application / JSON body. You can write first method post body JSON.stringify this product info you can add. Next, after that, we need to use the post data here. Okay. We need to use the fetch function below to send that request. Fetch function we need to use to send that request and store the data. P-info. You can use here swal. Swal you can write. Import will happen in the beginning. Product info dot name comma added in your cart. Added in your cart. After that, success. After that, success. We have it will import automatically or import it manually if it is not done. If it is not imported in the beginning, then you can import it. Import swal from Sweet Alert. You can write in the beginning import swal from Sweet Alert. Import swal from Sweet Alert. We have to add in that little try and catch block. Okay, try catch block. Why? Because sometime, suppose already item is added in the cart, you will try to add again. So the product ID will be duplicate there, and duplicate ID JSON server will not help. It will say this is already exist. Okay, so this is already exist. You try once and look into the cart array. Element is adding or not. Add one item. Add one item. Go to the page. Click on add to cart. Look into the JSON file in the cart array. See one element is added. One product will get added. We need to do add to cart. After that, go to the data.json file and then look into the cart array. You will find one new element is new product is already added over there. It is something like this. I will go here. I will try to add the add to cart printer. Printer added in your cart. Okay. It will go to the JSON file here. It will come in the JSON file at last. You can see here. One item, where is that? This one. I added the wrong item. This item, you can see. In cart is added. Okay, hold on. I'll try to remove this. Such a big photo line so that it will be little helpful to understand. I added here call 2.jpg and the photo also here is it such a big, it's making complete confusion. Where is a start, where is the end, not clear. 2.jpg. So in the cart array, if I see, you can see one item is added here. And what is the ID of that? 14. Product ID 14. It came in the cart, so the ID remains same because everything we have added. Everything we have added. But what is the quantity? Any quantity showing in this? No quantity, no? How will calculate the total price? Price we have here, price we have, but the quantity is not there, right? That is the one point to understand. So first let's work on that. Add the quantity 1 by default while adding in the cart. You can remove this item from here. You can remove this item first. One item was added, remove that. One item was added, remove that item from the cart. And before posting the data to server, we have to add one quantity. Because when the product we have inside the store, quantity is undefined. Quantity is not added. Okay, but when the item went to the cart, then there must be one quantity. Okay, so here under the, so I hope everyone have gone to the data.json file, and in cart one item was added, you erase it, you delete it. Delete that item from the cart. Then here at this place, okay, inside the product info, many already properties are exist, yes or no? Inside the product info, already name, price, quantity, photo, everything is there. And also people will ask you interview how to add a new property inside a object. How to add a new property inside the existing object. So product info is a existing object. Inside that already 4-5 property we have. We want to add one more property called QTY. So see, add a object name, curly bracket, square bracket, and property name QTY, and equal to by default pass as a 1. So under the product info object, one more property will get added, that is called QTY, and value will be as a 1. Value will be as a 1. Okay, ready? Added. Now let's add to cart again and look into the add to cart again. Do again add to cart and look into your data.json file. You will find product got added, whereas what is the quantity? Quantity as a 1. Now based on this quantity, we can calculate the price, and in cart page, we will give the option to user. Once they click on plus button, quantity will become 2. Click on plus button, quantity will become 3. Click on minus button, quantity will become 2. Click on minus button, quantity will become 1. Again click on minus button, quantity will be 0, product will delete from the cart. That only we do in our internet, right? Okay, so this we will do under the cart page. In the home page first, you are selecting what are the items you want to purchase. Those items first will go to the cart. It will come here. Inside this page, we'll have entire R&D. Plus on quantity, increase. Minus on quantity, decrease. Okay. Okay. So we have done till here. Next question is quantity related problem is solved. Next is already printer index is available in my cart. I will add again. It will throw the error. See, I'm trying to add. It throw the error. Why throw the error? Because inside the cart already the same IDs exist. Same ID already exists. And it will try to add again, and JSON server will say sorry, ID cannot be duplicate. ID will be always unique. Same product we cannot add 2 times. Same product we can increase the quantity, but this product should not get added 2 times. Now this error we have to fix. For that we have to write the exception handling. That is called try catch. Exception happen. Now there should be code to handle it, and it should say cart is already available in your item is already in your cart. That message should come. That item already in your cart. चल रहा है कि नहीं? चल रहा है? एरर थ्रो नहीं कर रहा है?
कंसोल में दिखा है।
ठीक है।
कार्ड में सिर्फ आईडी शो कर रही है, उसके डिटेल्स नहीं शो कर रही।
कितना दिन गलती करोगे भाई? गलती कितना दिन करेंगे? दिखाइए, सिस्टम दिखाइए। हाँ, दिखा हुआ है टू पार्ट। क्या भेजा आप उसमें? वही हम बोले कि कितना दिन गलती करेंगे। ये रिस्पॉन्स आप लिखे हो तो कैपिटल क्यों लिखे हो आप? कैपिटल रिस्पॉन्स इज अ रिजर्व वर्ड। ओके, ये जेसन यहाँ पे क्या भेजा आप? प्रोडक्ट इन्फो। प्रोडक्ट इन्फो यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन स्लैश जेसन होता है ना, आप तो सेमीकोलन देके रखो। ठीक है, वो कंपनी को तो पता नहीं चलता क्या गलती है, बट कंपनी बोलते हैं कि यू आर नॉट सुटेबल। ओके, कंटेंट टाइप सी एंड टी शुड बी कैपिटल।
कंटेंट टाइप
C and T should be capital. C and T should be capital. Check now. Is coming no full details. Delete remaining. Okay. Or anyone have problem? Huh? Come. What is the problem? It's adding in the card. Open the console and check. Right click. Showing so much error. No? Showing error. Will come. Add to cart. Come in. Okay. That is the problem. Okay. So let's go. Right here call. Let me search. JavaScript try catch. First try, then catch. Okay. Try, then catch. Wait. So our fetch function should be under the try. Fetch function should be under the try. Complete fetch function will be under the try. Complete fetch function is put inside the try. Try open close. And inside put complete fetch function. After that catch. Inside catch error. Then curly bracket open close. And handle the error. This item is okay. AL already in your cart. Warning. This should be ERR. ERR. The page you have to put inside the page should be under the try. Page should be under the try and the swal should be under the catch. Before page open the try. After page close the try. And if any error happen then catch will be taken care. It will not throw the error in the browser. It will not throw the error in the browser. See, everyone is sincere to learn. Okay, if you are sincere, then only till date you are continuing. Okay, non-sincere people left in the first month only. Okay, no. All are sincere, then only till date you are continuing. Else you may have left in the first month only. But in sincere also, let's make super sincere. So that final, what is the destination? To get a job, no? That will get job. After that, lead the life in your own way. इसलिए हम फोर्स करते हैं कि थोड़ा और मेहनत करते हैं. Let's run little more. Okay, let's be little more. You can say positive. Let's be little more something. Okay, नहीं आ रहा है क्या? Okay, click again. नहीं देखते हैं ना, हम भी देखते हैं. Maybe Thatch code we have written wrong. First one I have added. See, so code is not handling. That's something wrong there. Okay, something wrong. Try catch. What we wrote wrong? Try, then catch. Okay, the code is wrong. 1 minute. I'll search exact keyword. H function try catch. Page function try catch. Page function try catch. There will be somewhere mistake we have done. Right, try should be page. Catch should be this one. Exact same. ERROR is that. Okay, not happening still. We can find out some other way. Try should be okay. So do we need to apply a weight also? एक मिनट हो गया. Here. Try is okay here. Catch also we have written proper only. Not written something. Okay, maybe 1 minute. I'll try here call async. Then only I'll try to write here await.
वो बार बार ऐड हो रहा है.
Async and await में add हो रहा है.
बार बार ऐड हो रहा है. तो मैसेज आ रहा है. Added.
Already in your cart. If I add it, added. If I add here, it's saying printer index already in your cart. Okay, so that work now. So first await async we need to apply here and await we need to apply. Then try catch will be constant. Async and await. So before waiting for the response from the server, it was throwing the error in urgent. Understood? No, await what to do. Await now it is not saying anything in urgent. Await is waiting for the final response from where? Server. If the server will say finally error, then it's going to the catch. Okay. Async and await. Please check and let me know also. Are you able to add to cart? Async and await. Sorry, async. अब error तो नहीं आना चाहिए. No, error from the backend data will come in which format is here from the backend cart, right? So it says here no. This is the exception. This exception is being handled by whom? Your JavaScript. ये exception हुआ ना ये. अभी exception को कौन handle कर रहा है? JavaScript. पहले क्या होता था? Before what was happening, it was throwing the error directly. But now
पहले से काटने उसी को दोबारा करने से वो internal server error दिखा रहा है.
I am also showing the same thing. It is not internal server error, but it is user is not able to find out the error. No, you can see here when I click here, add it successfully. This is called which one? Post. Scanner is already in the cart. So any error is for the user. No error. No. When I go here, here also some response comes. Okay, here also some response come. But in the case of this, error is happening. Now to handle the error, our code is there. Code is informing to user that this exception happened. Okay. To handle that exception only, we have applied the meaningful information to user. Okay, so cart is added in the, item is added in the cart. Item list also here happen. Now two work is there for you. I hope you can do. What are those two work? The search should happen. I have guided you already in the admin panel. Search you have to do, and pagination we need to do. Pagination. Display 8 items in one row, one page, and after that apply the pagination. And design a very good footer in the bottom. In the Flipkart, some footer will be there, no footer. Create a footer component and call in the user app. Okay, so footer will be better. After that, pagination you can apply and search you can apply. These two work is for you, three work. Pagination as well as search as well as footer design. Okay, my work will be next. Displaying the item in the cart. Whichever the item we are adding, this item should come under the cart. And in cart, there should be option of increment of the quantity and decrement of the quantity. Based on quantity increment, decrement, it will update in the backend. And after that, total calculation will happen. We will capture the user details here, customer details, and finally place the order. Once that order will be placed, then it will come in the order list. Whom? For the seller. Seller will log in, and that seller will see under the order list, this many order has come. When he will go to the order list, then he can see one customer and how many product he has ordered. Again, next customer, how many product he has ordered. Okay, so that one more weekend is required. One Saturday, Sunday will take time. Today you cannot complete all. So we can leave here. We'll see. Already some people is log out.